adjusting audio levels on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to load up the project that you want to adjust the volume for. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I have loaded up this project. Now as you can see, the video feed is at the top of the clip in the editor, but you can see an audio wave below it also. So we have the video and we have the audio below it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move our cursor to where we want to increase the volume. So let's say we want to increase the volume from the beginning to this part where the volume starts rising. We're gonna assume you're okay with the volumes here, and we want to increase this side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move the cursor to this part of it, and we're gonna go to the top where we see the sound icon. We're gonna click on the sound icon, and we're gonna go to where it says volume at the far end. There's a keyframe there. It says add a keyframe. You're gonna click on add a keyframe, and once you click on it, you realize a keyframe has been added here. Now, what we want to do is we want to increase the volume from the beginning to the end. So since we have one keyframe here, we're gonna add another keyframe here, and we're gonna go through the same process, and we're gonna click on add keyframe. And as you can see, we have two dots here. Now that we have these two keyframes, we're going to add additional keyframes in front of them that we're going to control. So we have the first keyframe and we have another keyframe in front of it. We're going to add that. So that makes this side two keyframes here. And we have two keyframes here. Now we're going to drag the wave between these two keyframes. As you can see, it's being dragged. We can drag it up and down. You can see the volume is being increased. You can see the dB is being increased here to 12. And we can also turn down the volume of the rest of the vocal if that's what we want to do. And you can see do is load up the project that you want to clear cache for. The audio. Now, once you load up the project, what I want you to do is select the project, and the volume here is down because we decreased the volume. Select the project. You're gonna go to File at the top navigation. Now that's how to adjust audio levels on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.